Honey, I felt so bad you were working late on your birthday, so I...
Brenda?
Who's this? Richard, what's going on?
You're not supposed to be here. I'll see you later, okay?
Who's she?
My wife.
I don't see a ring on her finger.
So this is what you've been doing. All those nights you said you were working late. How could you do this? After all these years of marriage?
Look, I hate to break it to you, but every successful man cheats. That's how it is.
But I'm the one that made you successful.
Wait. What are you talking about? You made me successful.
Yeah. How could you forget? You see, who do you think would stay up with you all night when you were just starting your business? Hey, honey, I made you another coffee.
It's so late. What are you doing up still?
Oh, I felt bad. I couldn't go to sleep knowing you're still up working. How's it going?
Stupid spreadsheet. I've been stuck on it all day. I can't figure it out.
Let me take a look. There you go.
What? That's it? I've been working on this for hours.
Anything for the man I love. I'm gonna stay up with you, okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And then there was that time you had almost gave up because you had run out of money.
Another bill! How am I supposed to pay this? It's over. I'm giving up. This business is never gonna work.
What? No! You are not giving up on your dream.
You don't understand. I spent all the money we had on this stupid business. I'm gonna have to go get a job.
Hold on a sec. Here, this might help.
Cash? Where did all this come from?
Well, I knew money was tight, so I sold my wedding ring. I don't need a ring to know how much you love me. You know, and I don't want you to give up on your dream. It's too important to me.
You did that for me? I will never forget this. Okay, and I promise, when I get successful, I'll buy you any wedding ring you want. Oh.
So you see, I sacrificed everything for you, Richard. And this is how you treat me?
What did you think? That I would work this hard, become this successful, and stay the same? I am CEO now! Okay, I need someone that makes me look good. Not someone who looks old and tired all the time. I'm sorry. Brenda, it's over.
Happy birthday, Richard. Have a good life.
With Brenda now gone, Richard continued to work on his business. But without his wife, he had no one to help keep him focused or guide him to make good decisions. Richard's new girlfriend gets him to start drinking and partying instead. Richard started making very bad decisions. While Brenda used to help him save money, his new girlfriend was more interested in spending his money. Every time she would see him, she would have her hand out, asking for money so she could buy new designer clothes and bags. Richard's money began running out. Soon after, he started getting behind on bills. Rather than help him get through the difficult times like Brenda did, Richard's new girlfriend was only there for the good times. So after Richard's money was gone, his new girlfriend was quickly gone too. Without Brenda by his side, Richard lost his business and his whole life went downhill. Then a couple years later, Richard happens to run into Brenda.
Brenda? Brenda, is that you?
Richard?
Wow. You look incredible. Do you have a second to talk?
I'm late for an appointment, but we can walk and talk. What's up?
Listen, ever since you left me, I can't stop thinking about you. And I was thinking maybe we could try it again? Start over maybe? What do you think?
I thought I was too old and tired for you. Where's your secretary? The one that makes you look good.
Look, she left me. Hey, to be honest, ever since you left, everything started going downhill. I lost my business. Is that your car?
Yeah. I just bought it. You see, after you cheated on me, I started my own business, and it's really taken off.
I'm so happy for you. So, what do you say? Want to give it another shot?
Listen, I appreciate the offer, but I don't think it would ever work out.
Brenda, you've really changed.
Oh, you didn't think I would work this hard just to stay the same, did you? Good luck.
Hey Darman fam, I hope you loved that message about when you become successful, don't forget about the people who helped you get there. I appreciate you watching, and remember, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives. And when you share my videos, you're helping to change lives too. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.